I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious peach pie using canned peaches. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need two 29-ounce cans of sliced peaches, drained well. Also, prepare 2 pie crusts, either store-bought or homemade. Don't forget 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to thicken our delightful filling. Now, let's create our flavorful peach filling. Begin by thoroughly draining your 2 cans of sliced peaches. This step is crucial for a firm pie. In a large bowl, gently combine the drained peaches with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Next, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon for a warm spice note, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to ensure a perfectly thickened filling. With our filling ready, it's time to assemble our pie. Carefully unroll or place 1 pie crust into a 9-inch pie plate, ensuring it fits snugly. Evenly pour the entire peach filling mixture into this bottom crust. Then, gently place the second pie crust over the filling. Crimp the edges of both crusts together firmly to seal the pie, preventing any delicious filling from escaping during baking. Finally, let's bake our masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the pie on a baking sheet and bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when the crust is beautifully golden brown and the filling is bubbling enticingly through any vents. Allow the pie to cool completely for at least 2 hours before slicing and enjoying your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.